Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a mystery box from Colourpop. Now, when I've gotten that before, things from Colourpop, it's in a Colourpop box. This one is not. This is just in a white plain box. This is called the Secret Shade Mystery Box. It was $30. I've seen several people post them. I haven't looked at any because sometimes with our mystery boxes from Colourpop, sometimes they're different and sometimes they're the same. This particular box said that it would be 5 palettes. So $30, 5 palettes, that means they're about $6 each. I looked up their palettes, and even their 4-pan palettes are $10. So all of their palettes are more than $6 each. So let's see what I got. I did cut it open, and I tried to open it. I tried to lift this open. This doesn't work this way. It opens, now, let's see. It opens differently than I thought. See, you can't get it open that way, but I did figure it out. So now, okay, this is I think this part is coming up. Except the top didn't come up, the bottom came up. Does that make sense? Okay. So I do want to say a lot of people posted yesterday. I'm just getting this. It's the afternoon on Saturday. So by the time this uploads, you probably will already have seen several of them. And in opening that box, I lost a thumbnail. Anyway, so in honor of Colourpop, I am wearing a Colourpop palette. This is the Glow Getter. This is beautiful. It is, it was in a set of several different ones. So pretty. So pretty. I can't, let me think about it for a second. I know I received this as a gift. Did I get this from a subscriber or a channel that I love? I forget now. Isn't it? I hate my mind. I'm getting old, y'all. But it was a gift, so thank you to whoever sent it to me. And then I'm also wearing, this is the MOB Beauty Lippy that I got in my Lucky bag. And this is the one that it came, the outside component, it snaps in. So you can refill this. So that is the lippy. And when you put that in, you have to snap it down, and then it works on the turn. So it's very nice. It's nice and moisturizing. I like it. So let's see what I got. Opened it up, woo! And it's wrapped up like this. Pretty good. It's wrapped up pretty good, I guess. And then there is the information, not much information. And, okay. There are 5 palettes in here. This is what happens when you get a mystery bundle. Sometimes you get repeats. So I got, let's see, these are 5 pans. I did look up, okay, well, they didn't give me much of a variety. The 5 strip pans are are $10 each. So I got 4 of these. I have had these before. They've been on sale, so that's supposed to be a $40 value if they're $10 each. And then I got a large palette. I think this is a 9-pan. No, it's a 12-pan. I already have this palette, the Limoncello. This is a gorgeous palette. It's funny because I used this not too long ago. I do use this. I'll show it to you in a minute. The 12-pan palette is $18. So $58 value. I paid $30. Let's make sure they're all in good shape. Out of these, I got these before, and I don't think I kept any of them. I think I gave them away in giveaways because I got them really cheap. So this one is all aflutter. Hey, Camille, all aflutter. They're beautiful to look at. Here are the colors. These are oranges. Very, very pretty. So this was a whole set of, I think there were 5 in this set, I want to say. And I'm pretty sure it came out around the same time as this palette. They're all bug related. This one is Over the Cocoon. Camille's already pushing on the box, trying to knock it down. Over the Cocoon. Oh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Camille. Social Butterfly. it's been a while. I gave all of these away, and I think I let y'all pick which ones you wanted. Social Butterfly. It's very, very pretty. Some neutrals and some blues in there. Very beautiful. That navy blue. That blue is stunning. And then Fly Away. I thought I had one. I might have this one. I do have this one. Fly Away. This is gorgeous. I love this one. So that's what happens when you buy a mystery box. The large palette that I got is the gorgeous Limoncello. It's gorgeous. And let's see how to open it so that I don't damage it. Since I already have it, I don't want to ruin the packaging because it will definitely be going in a giveaway. Let me get it open. Here it is. Gorgeous. See the gold on it, Limoncello. And they're all, at least none of them are broken. All the palettes are in good shape. This is beautiful. It has a mirror on one side. It's really a beautiful palette. Beautiful, beautiful. And that is what I got in my mystery bundles. So now I'll be able to watch everybody else's to see what they got. So y'all, I have several giveaways going on right now. So I'm not going to do a giveaway with this video, but these will definitely come up in future giveaways. So stay tuned for that. So since I have a couple of these, let me swatch them for you. Now, I went and looked, and this was a set of 5. And I have the Fly Away, and the one that's missing that they sent in this mystery box is this one. It's called On a Wing. So when I got the set of 5, you can see it's much loved. When I got this set of 5, I kept these 2. So this is the Fly Away. So let's swatch that. And it's just very pretty. I love the way the packaging is. It's like a mini Natasha Denona is what it's like. So let's see. There are 2 shimmers and 3 mattes in here. That's Twirl and Hover and Astral Lands. See how gorgeous those? Oh, I love the shimmers. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I have something here to wipe my fingers with. And then we have Worldly. This is Worldly and Aviator, and those are mattes. You can't even really see that one now. I'll put these over here so I have more room. So this one, just the one. No, that might not have been. It might have been this light one that I'm. Yeah, it's so light you can hardly see it, but it's very pretty, very pretty. So that's that little palette. I mean, it's got a lot of oomph for it for a little palette, a little tiny. And you know, the other ones I don't have the other colors, but I do have this purple On a Wing. I'm not going to swatch this one right now. We'll just go on to the Limoncello. This palette, when I first saw this palette, I loved it just because it's, you know, the Italian nature of it and everything, the tiles and the lemons. And then I saw the inside. I'm like, oh, that's not going to work for me. But then I got it. I think I got it in a different mystery box, and I decided I'm gonna try it. It's very beautiful. There's just these 4 shimmers, but this one has a little bit of a shift to it. So let's see, we've got Tuscan Fun, Touring, and the Grotto. We'll put these over here. See, those are very neutral. You can use that. You can make so many looks out of this palette because there's a lot of neutral going on. Lots of neutral. This is Fly Girl. That's got a shimmer to it, an orangey shimmer. This is Amalfi. And then this one is Semifredo. And I'm really not much of a yellow, but you know, you can add little touches of yellow. The yellow just isn't something that goes well with my skin tone. I should be using these other, well, let's see. That one's Easy Peasy. It's got a shimmer to it. This one is Serenade, fur on me. And then this one is Vespa. They're very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love them. Lots of neutrals. And then there's a little bit of fallout going on here. The last three, oops. This is Limon Squeezy. This one is Capri. Now this is the one that has a bit of a shift. It's really hard to see it there. And then La Festa. So you can just, these little pops that are going on there. It's really a beautiful palette. So that is the Limoncello. And this one is the small palette, which I already can't remember the name of. But anyway, thanks for stopping by and seeing what's in my mystery bundle. I'm excited to go see some of my friends got this and see what they got. I hope that they got some different things than me. Would be nice if there was a variety. But sometimes with Colourpop's mystery bundles, you'll see the same exact thing in everybody's box. And sometimes you'll see some things different. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.